Good morning, Tehmina Khan is here in TKMaths is Fun. In today's video, we will solve a few questions on area and circumference of a circle. Concept is very similar, but situation will be different. So let's start with question number 1. Work out the perimeter of a quarter circle with radius 7 centimeter. Now diagram is given to you here. Rather than solving it straight away, let me explain it to you first of all. You know, this is a circle, and everybody knows the formula for the area of a circle, which is pi r square, and circumference of the circle, which is 2 pi r, and r is the radius. Sometimes people write circumference is pi d. You know why do they write pi d? Because diameter is equals to 2 times of radius. So if I draw another radius from here, right, one radius this side, other one this side, so all together this is a diameter. So 2 radius equals to diameter. So circumference formula 2 pi r or pi d is the same thing. This is about circle. Now the problem comes when we talk about quarter circle, semicircle, then students start making mistake. Now let's see why. I will solve this question, but first I want to explain you the logic and reason behind it so that you can solve all questions in any context. Okay, so when we say quarter circle, for example, look at this circle. Quarter mean you are taking 1/4 of a circle. Agreed? If I divide this circle, there are 4 parts of this. This one, this one, this one, this one. So when I say quarter circle, it means I'm talking about one portion which is drawn here for you. Now in a quarter circle, you can see very clearly, you have radius here and you have radius here. So this is your radius and this is your radius. So if this is 7 centimeter, this is also 7 centimeter. It is not written here, but it is understood thing. Now coming to this part. What is this part? How will I find out the length of this? If you look at this, all thing around it, basically this portion is 1/4. Yes or no? So basically if you take the circumference 2 pi r and divide it by 4, you will get this arc length, which is 1/4 of the whole circumference of the circle. So if question is saying find out the perimeter of a quarter circle. Perimeter mean the boundary around a shape. So right now the boundary around this shape will be this length 7 plus this length 7 plus this arc length, which we will find out, and then I will add up all 3. So let's do it here. So if I have to find out the perimeter of a quarter circle, what will I add up? 7 because of this side, plus 7 because of this side, plus this portion, which is 1/4 of the circumference. I have explained to you here reason. So I will write 2 pi r divided by 4, right? So 7 and 7 is 14. I can simplify here. And what is my r? R is my radius, which is 7 centimeter. So plus pi r is 7 divided by 2, because we have just simplified 2 and 4. Now you have to write down the value of pi. For example, if nothing is given in the question, then it is your choice. Value of pi can be taken as 22 upon 7, can be 3.14, or sometimes teacher says take the round of value equals to 3. It depends on the question. In this case, suppose I take 22 upon 7. So I will replace pi by 22 upon 7. And you know, when you write like this, pi times 7 upon 2, this simply means pi into 7 upon 2. Okay, this is same thing. So you should understand this. So instead of pi, I'm writing 22 upon 7 and then multiply by 7 upon 2. Sorry, 7 upon 2. 7 is my radius where I'm substituting it, and 2 is in the denominator. So now I can cancel. 7 times 1 is 7, 2 times 1 is 2, and 2 times 11 is 44. Please do not make a mistake of cancelling this 2 with this 14. Why? Because there is a plus sign in between. You can only cancel if there is multiplication in between. So now what I'm left with? 14 plus 11 times 1 is, because this is a numerator, 11 times 1 is 11. 1 times 1 is 1. So when denominator is 1, usually we do not mention it. So now what is 14 plus 11? 25 centimeter. So this is your perimeter. For example, in the same question, if I say find out the area of a quarter circle. Now this is also very simple. You know why? Because quarter circle is 1/4 of the whole circle, and whole circle area is pi r square. So if you have to find out area of a quarter circle, it simply means you will find out 1/4 of the area of a circle, 1/4. Okay, sometimes people write it like 1/4 times pi r square. It's the same thing. Do not get confused. So now pi I am taking 22 upon 7, and radius is what? 7. It is in the given. This is your radius actually. I have just explained it to you why here in the diagram. So radius is 7. Don't forget to write a square here. Now how you will simplify? 2 2s are 4, 2 11s are 22. So 1 upon 2, 11 upon 7. Now 7 square is 49, or you can write it like this if you like, because in the denominator I have 7 and I can cancel it. Your choice. You can write here 49 also. So now in the numerator you have 1, 11 and 1. 1 times 11 is 11. 11 times 1 is 11. And oh sorry, I forgot this 7. So it will be 77. 11 sevens are 77. Divided by 2. 2 ones are 2. This is improper fraction. Usually we do not leave answer in the improper fraction. So we change it into mixed number. But if you leave it like this, I am sure it will not be marked wrong. So 2 3s are 6. This 7 will I will bring down this 7. 2 8s are 16. So it is equals to 38 whole 1 upon 2 square centimeter, because it is your area. It was not a part of the question. I just tried to explain it to you. So in the next question, we will see this one. I have taken here 7 questions of circle and area and circumference and area of a circle. So I'll make a small videos. Okay. So you will find the link in the description below. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please share it with your friends and press like and subscribe button. Take care. Allah Hafiz.